It's finally back. The Carubbean is back in Sanicolas.
Because Sanicolas is the main district of cultural heritage.
To be part of the festival and just feel that you're a local for that few hours is something that you can't put a price on it.
Rise up, Aruba!
You heard it right. The Carubbian Festival is back. For years, we've missed this electrifying Thursday night celebration in Sanicolas. But the wait is officially over. Sanicolas is rich with history, vibrant culture, and delicious food. And Carubbian has always been the perfect reflection of this spirit. Aruba leaders decided it was time to revive it. Here's why.
Because Sanicolas is the main district of cultural heritage, and I think we need to expose this concept also to our guests, because the tourism and the guests that we receive, they are interested in getting to know the authenticity of our island. And with this concept, the return of this concept, because it was a really successful concept in the past, I think a lot of people are happy that Carubbean is back on the island. And
it aligns perfectly with the mission of ATA to promote authentic experiences for our visitors, but also mainly our community of Aruba.
Carubbean is actually helping monetize cultural economy. Definitely works for us. Definitely works for us here in Sanicolas, because that's what we want to do. We want to keep our culture, but have an economy.
A fun cultural celebration like Carubbean goes far beyond just a good time. The economic and personal impact for the local community and the entire island of Aruba is truly immeasurable.
As an 8-year-old, I was already singing in the carnival festivals. So the Carubbean was an opportunity that I get to sing my song again and also dance, because we were part of a dance group. So also the dance group got a chance to perform at what we call then Sanifet. So the Carubbean is a concept that it's not new, that it helped shape me in my childhood. It was something pending to do that was positive, and that you meet our school friends then back here and it's like, later I'm dancing, come and watch me. So it's something very beautiful that come back to life, and I'm so happy because I have a teenage son, I have a small son, so that they can be part of something that I experienced in my childhood.
One of the things us in Sanicolas, like, we like to live as we say, the get-together, the family life. You know, we walk the streets, we meet everyone. Hey, good morning, how are you doing? And when you have something like Carubbean, you get a community to come together. When the community come together, it's positive for the city, because we're busy having fun with each other. And once you get a community to be together, they learn to support each other and continue like that. It will always create a positive effect on the whole community.
If you are lucky enough to be on the island as a tourist, you cannot miss the celebration on Thursday, November 20th.
Because it's a part of us, it's a part of our culture, it's a part of our habits, it's a part of just experience of living in Aruba for the little time that you're here, because we're blessed that we experience Aruba every day, but they get to experience a little of us in a week time, and it's hard to explain how beautiful the event is. It's something that you really have to be part of, to feel the music, to feel eat the food, to be part of the festival and just feel that you're a local for that few hours is something that you can't put a price on it.
Whether you are from Sanicolas or not, everyone seems excited in their own way, maybe even in nostalgic ways.
Personally, what are you most excited for? Are you most excited for the food, the performance, some art? What are you most excited for?
I am going to be really sincere. I'm excited to taste the Johnny cake from the people of Caribe di Bru.
As a little personal, I used to work for one of the vendors, just selling popcorn, just as an extra side job when I was a teenager. So it was really like a full circle moment for me to be here today working for the ATA.
We have been waiting so long to have this back in our home. This is our home. And as a part of our home, we always want to showcase what our home, that we have. Sometimes they say Aruba, Sanicolas is unsafe and all of these things, and that's not true. So when they come to the festival, they see our culture, they get to eat our food, they get to be one of us for those moments, like I said, and then they get to experience the true Sanicolas and its true sentiment, and that they can love our district as much as we do.
As the Minister of Tourism, I would like to extend a warm invitation to you to come and enjoy and experience with us this Thursday the return of the Carubbian Festival. It will be a unique experience for both locals, for both our guests, and in unity we will celebrate what makes Aruba unique. Its people, its music, its food, its culinary aspects, and also it is a big celebration of our cultural heritage. See you this Thursday.
This Thursday, it's back. Carubbian Festival, Aruba's most colorful street festival, returns. Get ready for live bands, dancers, island street food, and unmatched Sanicolas vibes. Feel the rhythm, taste the island flavors. Come experience Aruba's most vibrant celebration. Carubbian Festival, Thursday, November 20th, starting at 7 p.m. Free entry, Main Street, Sanicolas. Don't just hear it, be there. Brought to you by the Government of Aruba and Minister of Tourism, Wendrick Cicilia.